Hi, my name is Alistair Vermaak and I want to show you how to build an online business. In 2010 I was working for a corporate company and I got tired of working for somebody else. I decided that I would like to go out on my own and try something different so that I could be free from the rat race. So I did exactly that. I left the rat race and tried doing something completely different. I started off by creating a WordPress website, and then I continued blogging and doing what I needed to do to get the word out there that I was looking for work. I started off by offering IT support services to businesses and anybody interested in what I had to offer in my location. But over time I've grown tired of doing the exact same thing. Anyhow, in 2010 I started, and this past month I received a notice from a client that had been paying me pretty well. But anyway, they said to me that they no longer needed my services, and I sat back and I thought to myself, is this what I want to continue doing? And the answer was no. So I've decided I'm going to change that. I now want to do something totally different, something that offers me freedom to do whatever I want, wherever I want, and how I want. So I'm changing my whole strategy and going through to teaching people how to do exactly what I did back then. I want to help you create your own online business so that you can break free from the rat race and do whatever you want, just like I'm doing whatever I want. I'm telling you, if I could do it, so can you. Let me help you break free.